So now, part number 2, we've been dissolving all those our sulfides using water. I discovered one more thing: you don't need to overheat all those materials. Okay, and now I've been adding in every one of them hydrochloric acid, almost the same amount. And we try to dissolve all material which one we don't need it. So hydrochloric acid can do the job. You see some of them bubbling a lot, another little bit. So let's dissolve. So there's no laboratory in this place, so what to do? Working that kind of way. But what we not do in our lives. So everything looks like a lot of working. This is just a hydrochloric acid, nothing else. So the sulfides, I think, they be dissolved in the hydrochloric acid. Then we wash material. This need to be a little bit more material. And here the third rock, remember that biggest one, is working too. It's working too, something dissolving. So let's keep it. I think I need to add a little bit more hydrochloric acid in every one of those. Need to dissolve all those useless materials inside of those rocks. So this is the middle rock, which one contains a lot of gold. Actually not a lot, but have a lot of gold. And this is all sulfides on the surface, you see. It's a sulfur. It's not dissolving in hydrochloric acid. This is the first rock, still working, something working. Hydrochloric acid is dissolving. So we keep this for a while till everything be done, and then we continue. Okay, action almost stop. You see the sulfur on the surface? That sulfur don't dissolve in hydrochloric acid. So it's good we separate from the rocks, but we still have a lot of stuff inside. And we have gold on the bottom, if you can see. Okay, now we finish the process of dissolving all junk. Reactions all stop. We throw all this hydrochloric acid and we'll be ready to put aqua regia. You see, I'm washing those solutions. I throw the all hydrochloric acid, and you see a lot of yellow stuff. That is a sulfur. Okay, throwing away. Hydrochloric acid, I wash everything, dissolve what we don't need it, material. Here was a lot of sulfur, but I see the gold on the bottom too, and that much left. So right now we'll be putting real nitric acid. I have some nitric acid. I'll be putting in like few drops, 1, 2, 3 drops. Here 6 or 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here. This is nitric acid, And now we're putting hydrochloric acid, like 2 milliliters in each one. And then we put on heaters, and you can see right away nitric acid started working. The solution became blue, yellow twice, and this need to heat it. And this is little amounts right away, everything fine. So let's mix it, this thing. And this maybe need to put more hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Mixing. Now we're putting everything on the heater again. Okay, the heater, and now we see what's going on over there. Aqua regia starting dissolving the gold. It's on the right side. You see the everything moving up and down. Here big one is still slowed down. Need to put a little bit agitate. Okay, colors getting nice orange, and we'll see. This is a lot of material, a lot of sand I left it, and still sulfides dissolving. So this on the left contains a lot of sulfide, and okay, on the right started reaction, strong reaction going. They're dissolving everything in that, and that way we do. Everything working, colors is changing, and very little left on the bottom in some of them. So let's wait till everything reaction stops. When reaction stops, it means everything is dissolved and we're ready to do participation process. Okay, almost reaction is almost stopped. It's barely moving. It means it's okay for testing. So right now I have first rock, second rock, third rock, and I adding to every one over here urea, and adding for few drops of this solution. Urea kills nitric, and then we get right results of this. Every time I need to wash that pipette. I don't want to make messed up those juices. Okay. So urea stops working, and then we can put the styrene chloride, and we'll see what we got. If we got a gold in solution, we get purple color. Okay, moment of truth. First, that small rock. Yeah, we have a gold in the first one. Okay, this is a gold participated, it's a purple color. Okay, second one, this is, look how black, that is a big concentration of gold. You see, that is a big concentration gold. That is true because I saw a lot of gold in this rock. You see this, not lie. And that third third rock, which one we don't know what was there, but was a lot of sulfide. But I say I don't see gold, but we maybe see something. There is gold. There is gold, and it's not a lot, but the gold is there. So you see the purple color? That means gold. So in the middle rock is the biggest amount of gold. First one, there was having very little heavy material, but there is gold too, but it's very little amount. Yeah, you can collect it, but what this in the middle is the best one. You see, it's black color. It means all there is a gold on top. So this is sulfides. But sulfides, actually those two have sulfides, but they both have a gold. But this in the middle is the biggest amount of gold in that rock. So if you mark it where you found that gold rock, you need to go there back and collect all the rocks around. Okay, so I finished everything testing. Second rock contains the gold, and we be right now transferring all those solutions to one as big and biggest, and participate gold real way. We don't losing this, because look how much. This is a lot of gold in that one. Second especially, it's a lot of gold. And there actually I saw that gold too. You don't need to not even do nothing. So right now everything is finished. I be putting all juice in here. You get that gold out later on. So what I can say, that way our testing for gold part 2 is completed. Enjoy the video. Keep going.